In today's video I will show you how to integrate Swift UI inside your Flutter project. Now I know what you guys must be thinking, that why would you integrate Swift UI with Flutter? Like Flutter itself is a UI toolkit, and it is extremely powerful to do any kind of stuff. But to counter that, like I will tell you one example is like last year in WWDC, Apple announced Swift UI charts, and those charts are only available via Swift UI. As far as I know, they are not accessible via UI kit. And of course you can make charts via Flutter as well. But my requirement is that if you work in big companies like Facebook, Google, they don't use third party libraries, so you won't be able to add charts inside your pubspec.yaml. Other way is that you can create charts using Flutter itself, like there is a canvas painter, if I'm not wrong. But to be honest with you, I'm not that talented to do those kind of crazy chart stuff with Flutter. Or Other advantage is that the charts for SwiftUI are completely maintained by Apple, so I don't have to worry about bugs and all kind of crazy animations, and you know what I'm trying to say. So SwiftUI makes it very easy. Like I'm pretty sure in coming years SwiftUI will have more of this kind of complex UI stuff, which is also achievable by Flutter. But if there is something directly available via Apple or Google, it's better to use that instead of relying on third party libraries, or instead of coding it by ourselves, as that will help us to prevent bugs as well as save our time as well. And integrating Swift UI inside Flutter is not that complicated. If you integrate a native view, it is similar to that. So here you can see I have created a Flutter project, and here I have just displayed so I have refactored my homepage widget to display my Swift UI view. And here I have created a another widget for it, and here you can see it is a stateless widget. So Android one is like nothing will happen on Android because Swift UI is only for iOS, so ignore the Android one for now. So for iOS it is still a UI kit view, so we will be embedding Swift UI inside UI kit view. So for now Flutter does not support Swift UI view directly out of the box, it supports UI kit, and we will embed Swift UI inside a UI kit view. And the view type is my Swift UI view. So this whatever string you define it over here should be the same on the native side as well. And the layout direction is this: creation params is null, and creation param code C, standard message code C, so boilerplate code. Next, open your iOS project, this main iOS folder inside Xcode, and here you can see that first I have created a Swift UI file called Swift UI View. So just right click new file and select Swift UI View, and here you can see I have just taken a Z stack and color.pink button, and just a button and nothing else. So that's it, pretty simple Swift UI View. Next, inside app delegate you have to register my Swift UI View, which you have defined over here. That's what I'm doing over here. So once that is done, I'm creating my Swift UI View native view factory as well. So again, this is boilerplate code if you refer to the Flutter documentation. So this is just boilerplate code for initializing the factory, and inside it we are referencing this my Swift UI View native view. Okay, so here it is, and here again this is boilerplate code. We have defined a UI kit view, so this is a UI kit view. I'm returning that UI kit view, and here we are initializing our UI kit view. And here I have defined a UI label as well, which is from UI kit. So this is the label, UI label, and we require this controller as well, root view controller, for displaying our Swift UI. And this is our label.text. So this is a UI kit view, that's why I'm written hello from UI kit view. And this is NS layout stuff, adding it to our view. This is NS layout stuff, you can do it whatever you want to. Now here we will be embedding our Swift UI View inside UI kit. So our file name is Swift UI View, if you remember. So okay, so here we will take Swift UI View, and it requires a UI hosting controller which I have provided. From that we will get our view, which I have initially taken it inside another variable called Swift UI View. And to that you can assign NS layout stuff. So I have made it as false, as well as I have assigned the ns layout stuff. And we require the root view controller because we have to add it as a child, this view. So this hosting controller, we have to add it as a child, which I have added. And then we have to add the SwiftUI view, this view, as an sub view to our main UI kit view, which I have done. And we also have to do this, so this is important: vc dot did move to parent top controller. So yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is. And once you run it, so here you will see hello from UI kit view, which is a UI kit label, and hello from SwiftUI button, which is a button. And here you can see I can click it as well. Nothing happens because I have not written any code inside it. So yeah, this is how simple it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.